Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be buying clothes for my doll. So right now I have my doll here. Say hi. So we're gonna be buying clothes for her. Let's get on to the video. And we're gonna put everything that we actually want in it before we can buy it. Here she is. Now let's go shop. Okay, so we're gonna start with the carriers. I think I only want one because we're gonna get a stroller. What's this one? I can't get it, Mom. Help me. It's difficult. It's like So as you didn't know, I got my nails done. And I found this beautiful little PJs. I mean onesies. Yeah, PJs, onesies. They're all the same. I don't know why. It says newborn as N. So if you guys have a newborn baby, we gotta get NB because NB stands for newborn. Isn't this cute? Like awesome. Okay, we're back on this list. Searching for stuff. Oh look, I found a fox and hats.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna put that in here. Oh. Let's go see some movie cars. I can't get that thing. We got, they kind of match because they're all white and pink and purple.
¿Se te cayó la uña?
Yeah,
Ay, ay, ay.
so I just placed it back on. These are the ones that don't stay on you, acrylic nails, because I don't like acrylic nails a lot. It's just a little too, like, more stain them with their whole entire life. So I kind of like more that come off. Yeah, it says newborn, as you can guys see. Get it. There's little bunny, little heart one, and one that says a little message, you are my heart. One of the little bunny, a blue one, and a black one. Very adorable. So we gotta get her some socks and some mittens because we don't want her to get hurt and scratch her eyes. These ones are the matching ones. It matches the heart pink one, the first one, and the teal one. So that's necessary. That will go in the pack. We arrived to the bottle section. I really like playing with my dolls and giving them bottles with real milk, like not real milk like normal people drink, like baby milk. I really like some that like are for like babies, like newborn ones. So I think I'm going off with one of these because these are the pretty good brands. So I think I really like this one because it has some bottles, whatever this is, two of these, and what are they called, pacifiers, and a thing to wash the bottle, but it's just a too big pack, so I'm just rather getting a normal pack with just bottles. How adorable. How amazing. Look at this. How amazing. I'm gonna go try it on her. I don't know if it's gonna fit on her, so I'm just gonna try it on. Okay, so right now I'm gonna fit this on them, on her. I mean, on them. This is so adorable. I really like it. I'm gonna go check on the other one just to check. They both are so beautiful. So right now I got this, so I'm gonna put it in the cart. So now let's see what. Oh, look at this cutie. I don't know if it's even her size. I think it's too small. But I really like it. It's very adorable. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put it in options. Now we don't know if it fits. Oh, what I always need was Lindsay's. I think I'm gonna get this. And it has matching pants. This is awesome. So I think I'm gonna put it in here. And it does match with this. And I found some more stuff that made me fall in love. It all looks adorable. I promise you, everything looks adorable. Check out the strollers to see if she fits on one of them and see if we can buy it probably next week. So let's go check it on. But stop for a minute. This is adorable. But it's for a boy. Oh no, I'm getting an exception to everything. I'm probably gonna buy everything in here. Okay, let's just move on to the strollers, please. Because I'm gonna buy the whole entire store. Wait, my mind is mind blown because of everything. So, right now we're going to the fitting room to see if the clothes fits on her. So, let's go. So as you guys know, I'm going to tell you a fact about dolls, that they are made of cotton. Some of them are made of silicone, some of them are made of cotton. So they literally make a sew and they put cotton inside of it and they just place the silicone body, parts of the legs, arms, and face. They put it inside the silicone of the cotton and then it just forms a baby. Now let's try and look cute a little. I like this because if your baby has like it's a little bit like a fake baby, acting like it's a little bit like more like chubby, you have like these. So like if it's a little bit more like more formed, a little bit more chubby, you could put it on the second one where it could fit perfectly. So now I'll put this on her. So like she's very small. Hold on a second. So I just got it on her. And it does fit on her. It looks super cute. The thing that I like about it is this. But like we could pop on a sweater and it's pretty cute, but yeah, I rather more stuff with soft long sleeve, but give it a try. It's good. So yeah, I really liked it, but it didn't fit my doll. So 10. So we're gonna put it back. Here you go. Thank you. You're welcome. And on we go. So now we're going to pay. So we're gonna try to find some that you can buy by yourself. So the things that we're gonna get are this. So we're paying this. That's already good. going home and we're gonna get everything that we got for her. So. Hey guys! So I'm back home. This is the clothes that we bought in Target. And here's the doll that we took to Target. So now we're gonna put her in her outfit and we're gonna see how it looks, and then we're gonna put her to bed. So first let's take off her PJs. And the weird thing that I just noticed about the pants is that these come with 4 and the pants only come with 3. So I don't know where this part is, so I think we're gonna combine some of them. And also I have my other babies there. So I feel like the first outfit could be this one. So right now we're putting this beautiful pink and white polka dot onesie. And I just looked at the buttons and the buttons are teal. And we have a teal pants. So I'll be like, hey, this could kind of match together because teal buttons and teal pants will look very cute together. So this is her combination that we'll be using. First I'm going to put her onesie on. So now I'm going to be putting her bow on. So like she has teal, I'm going to put a teal bow on. It's very adorable. And matches her pants and they're the same color. And this is the first look. Very adorable. Get on to the next outfit. So, this is the next outfit. It's a beautiful little gray blue onesie with pants, matching pants. And last time I used this one, this beautiful one. It really matches with the teal. And I put it the blue one with the pink one. So now let's go on to the third one. So, now we finished with her clothes. And this is the clothes that I'll be putting her to go to sleep. So I'm going to show you kind of like a mini little tour. Oh my goodness, did you guys catch that? It's starting to rain. I'm going to put these babies down to sleep with me. Put them here. Right there. And my little sassy girl. Sassy girl. Let's go check what happened. Holy smokes! That's bad. It's so rainy. Now I'm going to show you, here is her crib / changing table. So I put her here to sleep in and I change her table here. This is kind of like her folding area, not her like ironing area, because then if she's sleeping and I iron, I will probably burn her, but I don't want that to happen. So we go down here and there's 2 little fake beds. We have this basket. It has her diapers, her wipey, her water bottle. It's a water bottle full of water, her baby formula, her lotion, her baby bottle, her hats, her bib, the headbands, and some shoes. So right now I'm gonna go put them to sleep. I'll put her in her crib. I'll put her blanket. And you guys know, this was mine when I was a baby. It's a memory of me when I was a newborn baby. So I put her there. And they're very scared. They were there, I wanted to put them there because they looked very scared. So I put them there for them to not be so scared and they could be next to me. So they'll kind of share my blanket, and I'll turn off the lights and subscribe to my channel. Give it a big thumbs up, and I love you. Mwah.